Assalamu alaikum. I am Salman Khan from the world of IT. In this lecture, Trainee, you will learn about getting started with AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Let's get started. Log in to the AWS console and then click on Services and then click on Elastic Beanstalk or type here Elastic Beanstalk. As you can see, there are technically 3 steps to getting started with Elastic Beanstalk: selecting a platform, uploading an application, and running the application. Notice that specially calls out the option to use a sample application. To begin, click the Get Started button. Although AWS describes the process of getting started with Elastic Beanstalk as consisting of 3 steps, it is really more like 1 step. The entire process can be completed through a single screen. Just provide an application name, for example demo. Choose a platform and upload your code. In this case, I will call my application demo. So I am going to go with the NET Windows/IIS platform, and I am going to use the sample application since I don't have any real code to upload now. All I have to do is to click the Create Application button. It takes several minutes for your application to be configured, but the process is completely automatic. When the process completes, as you can see, the screen shows the recent events related to the deployment process. It also shows the application health, which in this case is healthy green. Most of the interaction with the application is done using the tabs on the left side of the screen. Of this screen, the one that will probably be of the most interest is configuration. The configuration tab is where you go to manage your application. The configuration screen lets you manage application scaling, instances, notifications, software configuration, updates and deployments, and health. You will notice that each item contains a gear-shaped icon that you can click on to modify the individual configuration. Settings lets you choose the environment type and availability zones and click on Apply. The one thing that is not available through the various tabs is low-level control of the application. If you need to restart the application servers, delete the environment, or perform any similar low-level tasks, you will need to go back to the application's home screen and click the Actions button. The available actions include things such as Reboot environment and Terminate environment. Please feel free to give your comment if you face any difficulty here.